Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Projects. I am back with another video, and in this video I am going to show the demo of Wallpaper app which I created in Android Studio using Java, REST API and Retrofit. So this is again a new Play Store level app on our channel, and I am uploading back to back amazing projects on our channel. So if you don't like the video, then please like the video, and if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe the channel, because the target of this demo video is 150 likes. If we complete the target, then I will upload the entire tutorial. So now first see the demo of the application. So for this I have to open my phone, and I open my phone, and this is the application. I open it. So when you open this application first time, you can see I use the Pexel API to fetch all wallpaper. So on first time it show the all wallpaper which is trending one. So by default it is showing the all wallpapers which is trending one. So now let us suppose if I click on car. So when I click on car, it show the all wallpapers of car, you can see. And if I click on train, then it will show the all wallpapers of train, and the list is very long. You can also upload this application on Play Store, and this list automatically get updated day to day, so you don't need to worry. Now if I click on bus, then you can see I get all wallpapers of bus. If I click on nature, then I get the all wallpapers of nature, and you can set any wallpaper on home screen. So now let us suppose try to find out a particular keyword. So here nature is present, bus is present, car, train. Let us suppose I type here ship. So I type here ship, and then I click on search button, and when I click on search button, you can see it will give me the wallpapers of ship. So you can, the search query is work amazing. Now let's type something else like galaxy. So if I type here galaxy, then I click on search button, so you can see it will give me the all wallpapers of related to galaxy. So here you can see the amazingness of app. You can see the app is look perfectly Play Store level app. Now why I type here photo by Pexel? So this is the Pexel's guideline. If you want to use Pexels API for educational or any purpose, then you have to give an attribution link. So it is your choice whether you want to give this or not, but I will recommend you give this attribution link, because Pexel provide these all wallpapers at free of cost. Now one thing I want to tell you, these all wallpapers are present in portrait mode, so it will be perfect for your Android phone. Now I will show you how to set any wallpaper. So I select on nature, then let us suppose I want to set this one. So when you click on any image, you can see it open the new activity. Let us suppose if I click here, it open the new activity with the same wallpaper, and you can see the quality of wallpaper will never decrease. It is the HD quality wallpapers. So now if I click on this, I want to set this wallpaper. So simply you have to click on set wallpaper, and when you click on set wallpaper, it will give the toast of set successfully. And if I come back, you can see the wallpaper is set successfully, and here you can see it is very amazing. Now let's see to set one more wallpaper. So let us suppose I want to now give the wallpaper of galaxy. So I search the galaxy one, and let us suppose which wallpaper is fine. I think this one is perfect. So I click on set wallpaper, and you can see the wallpaper is set successfully, and it looks very amazing. Now give a try for one more wallpaper. Let us suppose if I click on car, you can see the car wallpaper come here successfully, and I want to use this one, or which one is fine. This one is perfect, not this one. We can use this one. So this one is fine. Now click on set wallpaper, and when you click on set wallpaper, it is successfully set. So you can see the quality is perfect for the wallpaper, because these I write the code as like that, which is fetch the all HD wallpapers, not any lower quality wallpaper. So this app is perfect for Play Store. So if you want to upload this app on Play Store, then you can. And I will going to upload the entire tutorial of this application on YouTube for free of cost. So I just need the target of this demo video is 150 likes. So I just want to you complete the target. If you complete the target, then I will upload the entire tutorial next day, and I will complete this application in a single video. So I hope guys you like this project. If you have any query, you can comment down below. I will try to give the answer of every comment. Please like the video, and please share our channel if you want more and more projects. Now one thing I forget to tell you, the thing which you learn after creating this, like how to work with Pexels API, because Pexel API is little bit different, because we have to fetch images, not a data. We have to fetch images, and also you will learn how to create this kind of recycler view and this kind of design, and one of the most important thing, how to work with any kind of search query. So as you already know, if I type anything in my search bar, it will give me the exact result. So if I type here bike, you can see it will give me the exact result of the wallpaper, and You can see it is work fine and it works every time fine. So this is the completely Play Store level app, and you can upload this Play Store and you can do whatever you want after uploading the tutorial. Just give me an attribution also if you want to upload this Play Store on using my tutorial or using my code. So soon I will going to upload the tutorial. The target of this demo video is 150 like. So please like the video and please share the video with your friends. Thank you. See you soon in next amazing project.